The Way of the World is a witty restoration comedy by William Congreve, full of love, schemes, and unforgettable characters like Mirabelle, Millamant, Lady Wishfort, and Mr. Fainall. First, meet Mirabelle, the clever hero of the play. Honest, witty, and practical, he truly loves Millamant. He carefully plans to win her love and secure her fortune without hurting anyone. Calm and smart, Mirabelle is the perfect gentleman who balances love and reason. Next is Millamant, the lively and independent heroine. She loves Mirabelle but wants to keep her freedom and control over her money. In her famous proviso scene, she sets conditions for marriage, asking for respect and equality. Millamant is witty, confident, and a modern woman of her time. Then there's Lady Wishfort, a vain and wealthy widow. She's 55, loves makeup, and pretends to be young to find a husband. Easily tricked because of her desire to remarry, she also leads Cabal Night, a club where women gossip about men. Though foolish, she controls Millamant's fortune and plays a key role in the marriage plot. Mr. Fainall is the schemer of the play. Married to Lady Wishfort's daughter for her money, he secretly has an affair with Mrs. Marwood. Greedy, deceitful, and morally corrupt, he tries to take Lady Wishfort's fortune and even claim part of Millamant's inheritance. Mrs. Fainall is the daughter of Lady Wishfort. She became a widow after the death of her first husband, Mr. Languish. She has married Mr. Fainall for the second time after being pregnant by Mirabelle as a result of illicit love affair. After being pregnant, Mirabelle helped her to marry Mr. Fainall so that the child may get a legitimate father. There is no love between Mrs. Fainall and Mr. Fainall. Mrs. Marwood is jealous and cunning. Once in love with Mirabelle, she was rejected and now conspires with Fainall. She spreads lies and exposes secrets, creating tension and drama in the play. Her scheming nature makes her a classic restoration villainess. And finally, Waitwell, Mirabelle's loyal servant, disguises himself as Sir Roland to trick Lady Wishfort, helping Mirabelle's clever plan succeed. Brave, smart, and playful, Waitwell adds both humor and action to the story. There are more minor characters like Sir Wilful Witwoud, petulant, foible, Waitwell, mincing. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun guides to classic plays and unforgettable characters.